Short on time, but craving something delicious? You're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to whip up a fantastic aloo mutter in a traditional clay pot. Green peas and potatoes are available almost everywhere and are very nutritious. Let's jump right in. Start by heating a quarter cup of oil in your pot. Introduce 1 chopped onion and fry until golden brown. Add 2 tablespoons of finely chopped ginger and garlic. Toss in 2 to 3 green chilies for some heat. Add 2 to 3 chopped tomatoes, salt to taste. Sprinkle in half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. Follow it with 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Add chicken yakhni powder to enhance the flavor. A pinch of nigella seeds, kalwanji, goes in next. Mix everything well and let it cook for a minute. Pour in a quarter glass of water. Cook until all the ingredients are well blended and the gravy reaches a consistent texture. Add 2 to 3 potatoes, cut into big pieces, into the pot. Stir in 1 cup of green peas, Aloo Mutter. Bring it all to a boil. Add 2 glasses of water. You can add more water if you want a thinner consistency of gravy. Simmer on low heat until the potatoes and peas are cooked and you have reached the desired thickness of the gravy, about 10 to 15 minutes. Add a pinch of garam masala powder for extra flavor. Toss in some green chilies and fresh coriander for a fresh flavor. Your aloo mutter is ready to be served. Serve it with freshly made chapati or naan. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next video where I'll show you another delicious and easy recipe. Have a wonderful day.